Yo, if you guys thought that we were done with the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, you were sadly mistaken. Yes, we're getting another restock over the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Lost and Founds, Chicago's, whatever you want to call them. They coming back yet again, man. Hey, thanks everybody for tapping into today's video. I didn't expect, myself to make this video. I thought it was pretty much over. We just got that crazy restock. I think it was like 100-something thousand pairs of the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s that just restocked. I think that was about 2-3 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. And people was like, yo, it's crazy. The resale really didn't go down. It really didn't go up. Kind of just stayed the same. I think that's all due to the fact that bots probably really ate on that restock that Nike sneakers app did. We talked about that months ago, and then Nike finally did it. But today's video, we'll be talking about another restock via Finish Line and JD Sports. Now, me myself, I'm kind of happy. I'm now in an area that has a JD and Finish Line, and now I have a second opportunity to grab a pair of Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds for retail. Now, this pair right here, definitely did not get for retail, pay resale for these joints, but I had to. Like, this is one of the ones that you gotta have to the collection. I had no Chicago ones, and I had the mids, I had the lows. I was Chicago less in the Air Jordan 1s, but we finally were able to grab these things. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this probably is my favorite pair of Air Jordan 1s in my collection. Currently, it's probably really close with the bread ones. But right now, we have these in the collection. Like I said, this is one of my favorite. Throw them on feet, wore these a couple of times already. Get some good wears out of it. You cannot go wrong with a pair of Chicago's. But that's neither here nor there. Like I said, this week, we're going to be seeing another restock via Finish Line and JD Sports. And I'm kind of excited. Maybe I got that better opportunity to grab it in a better location, like I said earlier in the video. And you guys should have another shot at grabbing a pair for retail as well. I know nobody likes to pay resale. I pay resale for these, and I was kind of mad. I paid like $380 or $400 for these joints, but now I want to pay that what's the resale, $180. I want to pay $180 for these joints. Like, who wants to pay resale? You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys have your notification bells on. Make sure you guys stay ready, because I'm gonna be retweeting everything I see as far as the Finish Line and JD Sports exclusive access. They've been really good. Like, I kind of think that JD and Finish Line is probably the best as far as feeding out bots. I'm not too sure. I just say that only because a lot of people on Twitter that actually get exclusive access through Finish Line and JD Sports. You know, so you use your points, you can add extra, I think, head starts or something like that. I only did it one time back when I lived in Texas. I was able to go for the Air Jordan 1. What shoes? I forget which one it was. I know it was a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I put in a bunch of my reservations for it. Put a bunch of points in for that reservation. Didn't take a W, but I do know kind of, how it works. You know what I'm saying? Put in some extra points. Of course, however much money you spend at Finish Line and JD, you get points built up on your account. And you can try to, better your chances of getting a pair of these joints via the exclusive access they will be handing out sometime this week. Now, I'm only saying sometime this week because there's no set date, there's no set time for this restock. You guys already know how that happens. Exclusive access and shock drops and stuff like that. You might be a couple hours off here and there. So I'll try to just tell you guys sometime this week, we will be seeing it. And just stay by your phones, keep Twitter open, keep IG open. You will definitely see something very soon, very shortly, for these beautiful Air Jordan 1s. And like I said, I didn't think that these would restock again, just because we got that crazy restock on the Nike sneakers that I think it was like 100-something thousand pairs, if I'm not mistaken. I know one of you guys know down below in the comment section. Please let me know. I was kind of out of the loop, wasn't dropping content like that, but I definitely think it was a bunch of pairs, if I'm not mistaken. And it's probably not it. This is probably not it. We might see another restock on the Nike sneakers app. We might see a crazy restock via Flex apps, Foot Locker, Champs Force, and stuff like that around the US, just because some pairs were molded. They sent some pairs back, defects and all that good stuff, and maybe Nike just made a whole boatload more of these Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I would not be surprised, like, at all. I would not be surprised. So we might see more restocks. I don't think we're done with the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. I think they might oversaturate these things. That'd be good for us consumers that don't want to pay an arm and a leg to cop a pair of sneakers that they like. So yeah, guys, man, this week we will be seeing that. Make sure you have all your notification bells on, Twitter, IG, all that good stuff, because as soon as I see it, I will retweet it, reshare it on my story. So you guys are in the best opportunity, best chances to hit on that exclusive access via JD and Finish Line, man. It's not it. I hope you guys are ready. Don't sleep. It's coming very soon. As soon as I get the time and date, trust me, the Vintage Squad will know. If you guys are new here, make sure you sub up to the channel. We're on our grind to 100,000 subscribers. Can't wait to bring that plaque in with you guys, bring that moment in. It's gonna be crazy. And leave a huge like, man. The mics go a long, long way. I need everybody, even if you don't like, hit that like button for your boy, man. When you get back in the algorithm, trying to put you guys on all future restocks, exclusive access, and all that good stuff. We'll put you guys on via a video on YouTube and retweet a couple things over on Twitter. So make sure you go follow my Twitter right now. That is super important for you guys to do, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.